2024 is a new year, and we're looking forward to helping you to solve problems at your business related to how your company uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You'll see some new faces in the podcast this year, but before you do, I want to tell you a little bit about our new on-demand training classes, which you can find on learndynamics.com. How many times did you use search today to find something in Business Central? The Role Center is only a powerful tool if you use it correctly. When we observe people using Business Central, one of the first things we notice is that they have not set up the Role Center to match their job. And instead of getting to things in a single click, they do a lot of work over and over again to get the same thing. Using navigation and personalization is the focus of this course. This class will teach you how to personalize your Role Center, but it will also show how you can truly harness the power of list views, including how to search, sort, filter, and create save views that you can use again and again. Creating and understanding the flow of documents, commonly used reports, common error messages and how to deal with them, and even how to best use Business Central with Excel are all part of the content here. You'll come away with great efficiency tips to accelerate your daily use of the software. This course is one of my absolute favorites, and we recommend it to all of our customers to take this class to get a good start with using Business Central. You can find this class and more on-demand classes on learndynamics.com. Go look to see which one fits best for you.